sulfur trioxide. First we'll see the preparation. We can prepare the sulfur trioxide by dehydrating sulfuric acid with excess of P4O10, phosphorus pentoxide. By dehydrating sulfuric acid with excess of phosphorus pentoxide, we'll get SO3. And second preparation is by heating ferric sulfate strongly, we'll get SO3. Ferric sulfate Fe2SO4 thrice. On strong heating, it will give SO3. And one more preparation is by oxidation of SO2 with oxygen in presence of a catalyst. By oxidation of SO2 with oxygen in presence of a catalyst. The catalyst is platinum. It will give SO3. And it is a commercial method. Here SO2, the mixture of SO2 and O2 should be completely dry. That is one important thing. By the oxidation of SO2 with O2 in presence of the catalyst, we can prepare the SO3, and it is a commercial method. And when you see the properties of the sulfur trioxide, SO3 exists in three allotropic forms: alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha form is chemically active form. It forms long, transparent ice-like crystals. The melting point of this alpha form is 17 degrees Celsius. And beta form is dimeric form, that is S2O6. It is a dimeric form, S2O6. It forms needle-like silky white crystals. It melts at 32.5 degrees Celsius. Beta form melting point is 32.5 degrees Celsius. And one more important thing is, above 50 degrees Celsius, it changes to alpha form. Above 50 degrees Celsius, beta form changes to alpha form. And third one is gamma. Gamma form is obtained by completely drying beta form. Gamma form is obtained by completely drying beta form. It melts at 62.2 degrees Celsius under 2 atmosphere pressure. Okay, so now alpha form melting point is 17 degrees Celsius. Beta form is a dimer S2O6 and melting point is 32.5 degrees Celsius. Gamma form, it's obtained by completely drying SO3 and its melting point is 62.2 degrees Celsius, and it melts at 62.2 degrees Celsius under 2 atmosphere pressure. And alpha and beta forms are polymeric and linear. Gamma form is cyclic and trimetric, as shown in the diagrams in this slide. These are some important points for SO3.